Hey, my name is Bobby and this video was conducted as preparation for my new placement in Canada. Cultural backgrounds have an immense influence on how individuals behave, but how different individuals with different backgrounds can work together to achieve the same objective. For example, me, who was born in Indonesia, which definitely inherit Eastern culture, will work with new colleagues in new environment. The research drew attention to the fact that working effectively with other colleagues who possess different cultural backgrounds is not easy. Yet, if it can be done, it guarantees success for the team. Knowing the objective and the roles at the beginning stage of team development are essential to boost effectiveness. And the culture difference is main source that affects the effectiveness rate because of the fact that it can create opportunity through diversity or threat through culture barriers.
This report was commissioned to examine how an individual who possesses different cultural backgrounds is going to work effectively with other colleagues in new environment and to recommend ways of enhancing the effectiveness. These are the key topics for discussion, including the problem, team roles, clear objective, diversity, cultural barrier, and recommendation. The research draws attention to the fact that working effectively with other colleagues who possess different cultural backgrounds is not easy. Yet, if it can be done, it guarantees a success for the team. Knowing the objective and the roles of the beginning stage of the team development are essential to boost effectiveness. And cultural difference is a main source that affects the effectiveness rate because of the fact that it can create opportunity through diversity or threat through cultural barrier. In 1995, Senge believed that the roles within a team are important because of the fact that it clarifies how decisions are taken and who will take it. Hence, the framework from Belbin could help in determining the roles. It frequently used to measure the influence of the team member diversity concerning the roles within the team. Also, the test by Belbin helps an individual to have better understanding of their capabilities, which leads to effective communication between team members. For example, one of the sharpest weaknesses is that they sometimes offend other feelings. Knowing that could prevent miscommunication within team. Next is clear objective. The clear objective helps individuals to form expectation and figure out what to do in the teams. However, expectations vary due to cultural differences. The expectation could be related to the task strategies or process group building. For task strategies, it could include questions such as who does what and when, and how decisions are taken. And for process groups such as participation, language, and group evaluation. Diversity could be a double-edged sword if it is positively utilized, resulting as a unifier that binds team members to achieve a goal. Adler and Gunderson argued that even though team with cultural diversity has difficulties in process, they establish more creative and divergent ideas and propose more solutions for specific problems. For instance, Southern Ontario has numerous Asian populations. Therefore, a marketing team that consisted of Eastern culture and Western culture members may have better product or service to offer in Southern Ontario than homogeneous culture teams, since the mixed culture marketing team has better input and insight towards the consumers and the market analysis. However, there is a challenge for the leaders to balance cohesion and creativity in a team with diversified talents. Cultural barrier is proof of facing intercultural difficulties. For example, A new worker with high context culture may miscommunicate with his low context culture colleagues, which resulting in hostile behavior for both parties. Therefore, Chef Rear suggested 4 strategies to overcome the barriers, including count on members' openness, develop interpersonal relationship between team members, rely on organizational cultures, and help the teams to build synergies. In consequence, it is recommended that the individuals must know the objectives and the other's expectation so they can work based on expected goals. The individuals should take the test by building to know their roles and capabilities. Next, instead of looking at diversity as a threat, all members should view it as an opportunity to establish better solutions. Next, keeping balance between cohesion and creativity is important in a team. And lastly, culture barriers should be handled with shared strategies, including count on members' openness, develop the interpersonal relationship between team members, rely on organizational cultures, and help the teams to build synergies. That's for all. Thank you for watching.